Axie vastness cost pretty equivalent to $6.7680 a coin in a significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 6.6810-6.8348 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 6.7778, which sort of is very huge. The change especially was 0.0098, 0.14%, which certainly is very critical. Converse rate, USD to X, which by and large is very huge. Axie boundlessness value expectation in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Axie vastness cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $6.78, most extreme 7.25, especially least 6.31. Axie vastness gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $6.84, certainly greatest 7.32, especially least 6.36, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $6.60, by and large most extreme 7.06, exceptionally least 6.14, or so they basically thought. Axie vastness conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost $6.63, extremely greatest 7.09, truly least 6.17 in a truly significant way. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $6.74, kind of most extreme 7.21, kind of least 6.27, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In multi-week Axie boundlessness figure on Monday, May 22, cost $6.31, in every way that really matters, most extreme 6.75, least 5.87 in a quite large way. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost $6.21, sort of greatest 6.64, kind of least 5.78 in a significant way. Axie boundlessness estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost $5.96, fundamentally greatest 6.38, essentially least 5.54 in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $6.08, kind of greatest 6.51, lovely least 5.65 in a very significant way. Axie endlessness gauge on Friday, May 26, cost $5.97, for the most part greatest 6.39, sort of least 5.55, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $6.04, most extreme 6.46, truly least 5.62 in a significant way. Axie limitlessness figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $6.06, greatest 6.48, certainly least 5.64, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $5.83, kind of most extreme 6.24, essentially least 5.42, exhibiting that the earlier day close, 6.7778, which by and large is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness figure on Thursday, June 1, cost $5.75, kind of greatest 6.15, in every way that really matters, least 5.35 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $5.77, lovely greatest 6.17, least 5.37 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $5.80, beautiful greatest 6.21, least 5.39 in an exceptionally significant way. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $5.90, certainly greatest 6.31, in every way that really matters, least 5.49 in a genuinely large way. Axie vastness estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost $5.75, truly greatest 6.15, all things considered, least 5.35 in a huge way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $5.86, by and large greatest 6.27, exceptionally least 5.45, which generally shows that the earlier day close, 6.7778, which for the most part is very huge. Axie boundlessness estimate on Friday, June 9, cost $5.82, especially most extreme 6.23, especially least 5.41, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about a month Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $5.71, all things considered, most extreme 6.11, beautiful least 5.31 in an unobtrusive way. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $5.83, all things considered, most extreme 6.24, really least 5.42 in an especially large way. USD to Axie conversion scale certainly equivalent to 0.1478 coins per $1 in an unpretentious manner. The past day, S nearby, 0.1475. Change for now plus 0.0003, plus 0.20%, which most certainly is genuinely critical. USD to Axie cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a truly significant manner. Dollar to Axie vastness conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 0.147 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.158, by and large least 0.138, which especially is genuinely critical. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.146 coins, truly most extreme 0.157, least 0.137, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Axie vastness conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.152 coins, most extreme 0.163, sort of least 0.142 in a very huge manner. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 0.151 coins, certainly greatest 0.162, sort of least 0.141. So USD to Axie cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie vastness gauge on Friday, May 19, cost 0.148 coins, sort of most extreme 0.159, certainly least 0.139, which especially shows that change for now plus 0.0003, plus 0.20% in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 0.158 coins, kind of greatest 0.170, kind of least 0.148, which generally shows that Axie endlessness gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $6.84, most extreme 7.32, exceptionally least 6.36, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to Axie vastness conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost 0.161 coins, kind of most extreme 0.173, kind of least 0.151, exhibiting that Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $6.21. Beautiful greatest 6.64, in every practical sense, least 5.78, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 0.168 coins, genuinely greatest 0.181, sort of least 0.157, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost 0.164 coins, sort of most extreme 0.177, especially least 0.154, which explicitly shows that Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $6.60, fundamentally greatest 7.06, sort of least 6.14, which sort of is very critical. USD to Axie expectation on Friday,